Hi folks, Ernie here. Now today I want to show you a trick that my brother Earl showed me, and that's how to lay down a professional finish using nothing more than denatured alcohol, and you can pick this up at any hardware store, and kiwi shoe polish. Now you have to get your shoe polish in the right color or your project will turn out the wrong color. All right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to get a rag. You open up your denatured alcohol. What the heck is that? I've been looking for these. These are my calipers. I've been looking for these for 2 weeks. Son of a gun. Better put these away. I don't want to lose these again. All right. Now, what was I doing? Oh, I just finished my guitar. Let's put these away. I don't want to lose this stuff. It's flammable. Catch on fire. I don't want to catch on fire.